Lighting for Impact congratulates Smoky's Tobacco and Cigars of Knoxville, Tennessee, this year's winner in the specialty category. Smoky's Tobacco and Cigars is a premier destination for those seeking a premium smoking experience. Since its establishment in 1983, Smoky's has offered an extensive selection of fine cigars within a welcoming atmosphere. Smoky's commitment to a premium experience even extends to the methods in which selections are displayed. Lighting for Impact solutions were chosen to enhance the displays with illumination, not only creating an elegant visual vista for the eyes, but also to function as additional lighting with which to see selection attributes, labeling, quality, and craftsmanship. Smoky's selected our C-channel down lighting for its versatility and ease of install to highlight assortments across custom wooden shelving. The result is a captivating, elegant, and award-winning use of display lighting to create an experience that delights shoppers, cultivates preference, and fosters loyalty.